A medical representative, also known as a pharmaceutical sales representative, plays a crucial role in the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. Their primary responsibility is to introduce new product to doctors, promote and sell pharmaceutical products to healthcare professionals such as doctors, pharmacists, and hospitals. Here are some common roles and responsibilities of a medical representative. 1. Product knowledge. Stay well informed about the pharmaceutical products they represent. This includes understanding the composition, benefits, side effects, and competitive advantages, unique selling points and dosage of the products. 2. Sales and promotion. Actively promote and sell pharmaceutical products to healthcare professionals. This involves creating awareness about the products, highlighting their features and benefits, conducting camps and addressing any concerns or questions the healthcare professionals may have. 3. Relationship building. Establish and maintain strong relationships with healthcare professionals, including doctors, pharmacists, and hospital staff. Building trust and credibility is essential for long-term success. 4. Market research and do RCPA. Gather information about market trends, competitor products, and customer needs. Do retail chemist prescription audit. This information helps in developing effective sales strategies and positioning the products in the market. 5. Target achievement. Set and achieve sales targets within a given territory. Medical representatives are often assigned specific sales goals that they are expected to meet and get incentives for achievement. 6. Customer education. Provide information and education to healthcare professionals about the proper use, dosage, and administration of pharmaceutical products. This may involve conducting training sessions or workshops. 7. Reporting and writing everyday diary. Keep detailed records of sales activities, including calls made, products distributed, and feedback received. Prepare regular reports for management on sales performance and market conditions. 8. Adherence to compliance. Ensure that all sales and promotional activities comply with industry regulations and ethical standards. Pharmaceutical companies are subject to strict regulations, and medical representatives must adhere to these guidelines. 9. Problem solving. Address any issues or concerns raised by healthcare professionals regarding the products. Work with the company's customer service or support teams to resolve issues promptly. 10. Continued learning. Stay updated on medical and pharmaceutical advancements, industry trends, and changes in regulations. Continuous learning is essential to providing accurate and up-to-date information to healthcare professionals. 11. Product training. Conduct training sessions for healthcare professionals on new products, updates, or advancements. This may involve organizing events, seminars, CME, RTM, medical conference. 12. Like to travel. Medical representatives should be like to travel one place to other place for field work to meet the doctors, pharmacy managers or purchase managers, and meet the distributors. 13. Generate a prescriptions from doctors. Generating brand prescriptions is the main responsibility of medical representative. 14. Collecting secondary sales and closing stocks data from distributor and send data to managers and head office. 15. Taking responsibility for achieve the sales target given by head office. 16. Attending sales meetings such as monthly meeting and SPMs with team members. Successful medical representatives possess excellent communication and interpersonal skills, a strong understanding of medical terminology, and the ability to build and maintain professional relationships. They also need to be self-motivated, organized, and capable of managing their time effectively. For more these types of videos, subscribe our channel, share and like. Thank you for watching.